Okay, so I decided to test the eBay gimbal today out in a nice open field here. It's not a full field, so let me just pan over here. You can see there's really nobody here. It was a little windy, maybe about 10-15 mile per hour wind, and so that kind of contributed to a lot of the kind of flight time on this thing. So as you all know, this adding the gimbal and the GoPro and the battery, it adds a lot of weight to this little machine here. So if you're gonna fly with a 2200, which probably all of you do, on a 350QX, make sure you fly no more than 6 minutes on that thing, because you will need juice to get this thing off the ground and to keep it up and flying. So as you can see here, first of all, I flew it in a little windy, but I used the safe mode here. So if you're flying this for the first time with a gimbal, use the safe mode, and so you can get the altitude hold, and that will keep your gimbal and your QX nice on a nice even level. Because when you use the blue mode, as I'm doing right about here, your that altitude hold, you will miss it, because that will keep, now you have to really work on your throttle up and down. It does provide a lot of smooth flight, so I'm all for learning how to use the blue mode when you're flying your 350QX with the gimbal. But once again, you need height, because if you're not familiar with your throttle level, you will do some heavy-duty crashes. And also one more thing, you'll know if you're on the blue mode, which is a stability mode for the 350QX, your movement will be exaggerated. So if you go bank left or bank right, forward or back, man, the 350QX will be flying, which is great, especially when you have a gimbal. But man, when the battery goes low, as you can see right about here, yep, that's a nice little crash. The the thing flipped over, but as you can see right here, I'm really impressed with this gimbal, because it was upside down and it really it was shaking a little bit, but it's just a matter of me unplugging and replugging the gimbal, and it's back to normal. So I'm impressed with this eBay gimbal for $100. Again, I hooked it up on 350QX. So far it's looking like a great buy for me. And again, just fly with common sense. Leave yourself some height. Practice when there's nobody around. Light winds, because you will need all the space you will need. Alright, so once again, hopefully this gives you guys some helpful tips and guidelines into flying your 350QX with the eBay gimbal. This is a Blue Flyer. Subscribe, comment, give me some tips on how to better fly my 350QX, and take it easy. Bye bye.